Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well there. And today in this video, okay, I'm going to show you how to use Endnote 20. Okay, Endnote X9. Okay, so if you have not Endnote, then you can just check my channel there. Okay, there I have shown you how can we download and install Endnote 20 for free. Okay, 2021 for free. Okay, so today in this video I'm going to talk about Endnote 20. Okay, so how to use Endnote 20 for referencing or for citation. Okay, so in this video I'll be covering the things such as how can we create create a new library or Endnote library, or open an existing library, and after that I will also be showing how to import references from an online database by giving an example. And similarly I'll be also showing how can we use Endnote 20. Okay, Endnote 20 Endnote 20 to just to find the full text document of PDF and download it. And similarly in this video I'll be also showing how to insert a reference into a Microsoft Word document and change its output style. Okay, so let's move ahead. So we'll be starting from or by just creating Endnote library. Here you can just see when you open the Endnote 20 after installation, something interface like this appears. So here you can, if you have already a library that is or that you have already created, you can just click on open an existing library. And so so if you don't have any new library, then you can create new one. So I'll be showing by creating a new library. Just click on create new library. Okay, so the file name will be given my Endnote library.enl. So you can just change the file name as you want. Okay, feel free to change the file name. So I'll be just giving some other names for this. Let's say my thesis. Okay, my thesis, sorry, thesis. Okay, so let me just save this. Okay, or you can just choose any destination file for this Endnote library. So I'll be choosing desktop. Okay, so save. Okay, so now the Endnote library has been created. Okay, so now the Endnote library has been created. As you can see here, the file name I have given my thesis. Okay, so this is the interface that you will see after you create the Endnote library. So here you can see all different types of references. Okay, so recently added, on file, trash, the deleted files or the references will be just collected in the trash. My group, you can just create different groups, okay, related to different topics and many more. Okay, so this Endnote library is now empty, okay, because I have not added any references to it. Okay, so let me just show you how can we add references from here. Okay, so you can just see here online search. Okay, first let me show you how can we just add references through online search. Okay, just let me click on PubMed. Then you can just see here, you can just type the keywords, contents, etc. Okay, so just let me just click title here, or you can just search by using the year, date of year, right, and title, journal, volume, issue, page number, many more. Okay, so just let me search by the title and contents. Just let me type the keyword related to let's say this pandemic. Okay, let's say COVID-19. Okay, COVID-19. Okay, then just let's search. Okay, searching PubMed for different references. Okay, so after you just enter the keyword or any topic or title that you want to search, like suppose I have just typed here COVID-19. So here are the different references given. So in Endnote, okay, just remember that Endnote will retrieve the first 25 search results, okay, and similarly you will have other search options, okay, to download for additional reference, okay. So if you want, okay, so let me just import this now. Let me just select the journals that I want, okay. You can just select all, okay, just let me select all and just click on this add button, okay. You can see here, right, okay, just click on there, okay. Then you can see there recently added 25, okay. So this is not saved in your library yet, okay. So you can just see here unfiled, okay. It will be just stored in unfiled here because we have not any created groups here, okay. We have just created a library, okay. So now just let me create a group, okay, and just let's add these references to it. For that, just go to the file menu, groups, then click on create group, okay. So you can just see here you can give any name as you want. So let me give the name just as COVID-19, okay. So it's created, okay. So in this group let us add all these references that we just imported from online search. Select all, then you can just drag, okay, drag to this group, okay. Now it's saved in group, okay. You can see here, okay. So this is one method, and in another method, okay, automated referencing capturing, which is also known as direct export, okay. We can just directly export from any web browser directly there, okay. So you can also use the direct export workflow to capture references with many online databases, as you have just seen here, okay. So let me just show you or show you by importing some references from let's say PubMed, okay, pubmed.gov, okay. So for that, just open any of your browser, okay, then just grab there pubmed.gov, okay. So I'm using here Google Chrome. So if you use here Mozilla Firefox, okay, that will be very much easier, because Mozilla Firefox, it supports direct exports on both Windows operating system and Mac operating system, okay. Okay, so after that, let me just type the keyword here, that is COVID-19, okay. Then just hit enter, okay. You can see here, okay. So after that, just click on send to, as you can see, then click on citation manager, okay. Send to, click on citation manager, then you can say click on create file, okay. So after that, you can just see here the file has been downloaded here, PubMed COVID, right, okay. Just click on there, okay. Then the file will be just updated in Endnote, okay. So you can just see here in this Endnote, you can see here imported references, right, it's here given 10, okay, and recent files 45, unfiled 20, okay. So in previously we created the group COVID-19, that is there are 25 references. So in this unfiled, okay, the exported references will appear just within an imported references, okay, or temporary group, okay. So you can see here this, okay. So now in this process, okay, the process to initiate a direct export to Endnote may just be different from or it will be different from site to site, okay. So you can just view, or you can just search for the terms like saving, exporting, or just importing references like that. Okay, so let me just add all this. Just select, then just repeat the process, drag all the references to my groups. Okay, so you can see here. All I've all just exported to my groups here. So after that, so you can just see these are all references. So I don't have the PDF or full PDF to all these. You can see here it's just the summary. So now I just want to download the PDF related to these references. So how can I do that now? So to find out, or to have Endnote attempt, or just to find out the full text PDF, so 4 references which are in our library. So in this group, you can just select the references that you want to download the PDF. So let me just search for all the references that are just imported here. Then after that, you can just click on the shortcut button here. Search the web full text documents for the selected references. Then click there. Wait for a few minutes or a few time. It's searching. Not found 3. So you can just see here, find the full text here, right? Not found 19, found URL 3, not found 13. So you can just see here, right, the paperclip, the picture of the paperclip. You'll see the paperclip icon just next to the selected for which the Endnote finds a PDF. So Endnote have found the PDF for these references. So you can just click here and you can just see the article that is here. The PDF file you can just see, and that will be here. You can just open this. So now here you can just see or view the full article here. Impact of COVID-19 pandemic on the care of cancer patient in Spain. So here you can just review, right, like this. So in this way you can just download the PDF for all the references that you have just exported. So now after this, after this, when all the references appears in your Endnote library, just you can just see it, all these references. Just remember the topic here, the impact of COVID-19, right? I've just taken a few things from here. So you can just see here. So in Microsoft Pool. So this is the conclusion that I just retrieved from that document here. You can just see here. From this. So I want to cite this to my Microsoft Pool. So how can I do that? Just click the cursor where you want to cite. So I want to cite here. I'll be putting my cursor here. Then after that, just click on Endnote 20. You can see here. Click there. Then you can just see here, insert citation here. Insert citation. You can just see, or you can just see the shortcut button here. Click on there. So you can just see here. The Endnote library, it opens automatically here. So my keyword was COVID-19. Obviously it was. So search in libraries. That's all done already. COVID-19. Let's find once more. So I just retrieved from this PDF, right, the impact of COVID-19 pandemic on the care of cancer patient in Spain. So I want to just cite this reference. How can we do that now? Just click on that. Alright, then click on insert. Here we are now. See, it's so much easier. Okay, so this is in this output style, okay, is in the form of APA style. So if you want to change this, you can just go to here, style, right, APA 7. You can just choose other output style. Okay, so for now let me just take as Vancouver. Okay, see, it changes automatically or numerically here, right? Okay, 1, and it automatically saves everything here. Okay, so you can change from here. Now you can select any other references output style. Okay, yeah, okay, so now just let me keep as it is, APA style. Okay, okay, so now let's say I want to add the page number to these references. So, okay, so now how can I add that? Okay, okay, for that just select the citation, then go to edit and manage citations. Okay, yeah, okay, so now from here you can add prefix, suffix, and page number also here. Okay, you can just see. Okay, so let's say, okay, let me add just page number 14. Okay, I start from page number 14, then just click on OK. Okay, so now here the page number also arrives here. Okay, page number 14. There. Okay, so in this way you can just use Endnote. Okay, and so you also can do much more things by using Endnote 20. Okay, so if the video was really advantageous for you all guys, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos like this in upcoming days. Till then, everyone, take care and stay safe. Bye bye everyone, and thank you.